In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Fibonacci Bollinger Bands in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you have a chart open. It can be any market or any time frame. The process is exactly the same. Once your chart is on the screen, look towards the top of the interface for the indicators button. This is usually found near the top toolbar above the price chart. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This opens up the main indicators and strategies window, which is where you can search for and add almost any tool that TradingView offers. When the indicators window pops up, you'll see a search box at the top. Click on that search box so it's active and ready for you to type. This is the fastest way to find specific tools without scrolling through long lists. Now, start typing the phrase Fibonacci Bollinger Bands into the search field. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the results and show you matching indicators. Look through the list of results for the version of Fibonacci Bollinger Bands that you want to use. If there are multiple versions created by different authors, you may want to hover over each one to see a short description or check the popularity based on how many people have favorited it. Once you've identified the Fibonacci Bollinger Bands indicator you want, click on it once. TradingView will immediately add it to your current chart. You should now see the Fibonacci-based Bollinger Bands drawn directly over your price action. Take a moment to zoom in and out so you can clearly see how the bands are behaving around the candles. If you want to adjust the settings, such as the period, the standard deviation, or the Fibonacci levels, look for the indicator name at the top of your chart and click on the settings icon next to it. Here you can fine-tune the inputs and style to better match your trading strategy. For example, you might change colors for better visibility or adjust line thickness so the bands stand out more clearly. If you are using TradingView Pro, you'll also benefit from being able to add more indicators on a single chart and save multiple layouts that include these Fibonacci Bollinger Bands. To make the most of it, consider saving this setup as a template so you can apply it quickly to any new chart in the future. That's all you need to do to add Fibonacci Bollinger Bands in TradingView Pro and start incorporating them into your analysis.